Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new 2019 Segura Gunthar jacket. So the Segura Gunthar jacket. So we've got here is a retro looking jacket, fully waterproof, fully breathable, seed proof, so it's got all the abrasion resistance you'd expect from a French product. So it's going to be abrasion resistance, burst resistance, tear resistance, everything you'd expect. A couple of extras it's got, it's a full Segura outer. So that's the main material, so it feels like a cotton, nice and soft, comfortable to wear casually or on the bike. It's obviously got a coating on to allow the water to drain off it a bit better so it doesn't get soaked in. Another issue it's got is around the top you've got a buffalo leather panel. If I spin it around to the elbow, you've got a buffalo leather panel on the elbow as well. Come back around to the front, you look at all the features, all the detailing off, absolutely beautiful as you'd expect from Segura. So running down the front, we've got metal poppers with adjustable neck piece. Small leather tab here, just so you can get that open with a glove to handle a little bit better. Coming across here, 2 ventilation points. Also little pockets in there as well if you wanted to use them, but they are ventilation points to allow the membrane to cool on those slightly hotter summer days. You've got 2 snaps here to close these pockets, fairly simple to use. Little detailing, small leather panels on the front of those, just to give it a bit more detail. You've got snaps to adjust the waist, metal rings here to close it, so it's a nice quality product, and 2 patch pockets down the bottom as well. If I pull that apart, if I just spin it around a bit, you might be able to see on the camera, you can see you've got small hand-warm pockets there as well. So again, it's a nice casual looking jacket that you could wear on the streets or on your bike. So you've got those hand-warm pockets when you walk around these cold days and keep your hands warm. Coming down the arm, you can see you've got a zipper here. Open it up, more ventilation into the jacket. So again, keeping it cool on those summer days, you really can wear this jacket almost the whole year, except when it's exceptionally hot. You're better off seeing a mesh. See one of the other videos for one of those. This should last you most of the year. Adjustment on the cuff, so you can get a nice winter glove up there or a summer. And a small zip here with a small pocket, just another little detail that you're going to get with the Segura product. If we spin it around the side, just lift that arm up. You've got adjusters on the waist, so say, and on the hips here to give you a bit more space around there. On the back, you've got another ventilation point coming across here, so loads of vents on this jacket, letting loads of airflow through to the membrane, and another pocket down the bottom for your maps, which is what's traditionally called a map pocket. You keep anything in it, of course. Your pillion can get into it, a set of sandwiches, anything you need at all. Back around to the front of the product again. I just undo the snaps. The snaps all the way down. As you see, you've got a storm flap stopping any water coming in here. Open that up, YKK puller on here. Small pocket to get in before you open the main zip, so really useful. Once you open up the main zip, you've got a lovely green lining. BWTech 100 plus membrane, so it's very, very wickable, very breathable, so you get a lovely comfortable feel on the jacket. Internal pocket, when you take that lining out, you're going to have another pocket behind that, so you lose the lining, you still have the useful practical pockets. Same on the other side, you've got your pocket, another pocket underneath. So that's the 2019 Segura Gunthar jacket, absolutely high quality product. For any more information, please go to bikerheadz.com, like and subscribe below.